Hi there. How are you? Yeah, can I have your resume? Mr. Udit, please introduce yourself.
So I am Udit Bharadwaj. I am a BTech scholar from Mahatma Gandhi Mission College, Sector 62, Noida. So I am in the last year of BTech. I am seeking jobs in the core mechanical areas. I have done some diplomas like TOEIC in ANSYS and also AutoCAD. Because I have a great interest in design field and R&D departments of the fields I am seeking job in. I am a sportsman as I participate in sports in college time, and I also participate in the as a organizing member of college fest, etc. I am from middle class family, and yes, I have preferences. I have emphasis more on learning what I will get in my job of interest than what they pays of me.
That's great. Okay, Mr. Udit, what exactly motivated you to opt for mechanical engineering?
So, as I was a kid, it was in our middle class family, the mentality of parents they just want their child to be a doctor or engineer. But my emphasis was more on the mechanical things. Like when I was small, I used to open them up, and I was quite feel a joy when I just
Did it?
yeah. When it was done, it was really it was just a feeling of I have done something fruitful.
Right.
Then later on, when I saw like the vehicle, they always motivated me that every time it is a new vehicle, a great invention, helping people, and the most important thing, the scope of mechanical engineering, as I have researched, is not gonna.
Yeah, this was the emotional thing, right? This was the motivational thing. Then how you translate it into a practical things? Means what were the steps that you took?
So, first of all, I opt for the mechanical engineering, as after researching the scope, etc., all of them, as I have told you. Then I started to search in the mechanical field what I am for. So when I searched for all of it, then I came to know about that I am interested in design and I am good at it. So I tried to do some diplomas in the design field of design softwares, and I also went for summer trainings and internship at automobile companies like Tata and Maruti.
Like you have always been talking about automobiles and all,
Yes.
but we are a packaging company. Why are you in here?
So, as I want as a fresher, I want the job in the core mechanical area, as production and automobile is not that much vastly different from each other. Yes, at the peak of my career, I would really like to be with an established automobile company, but the field of interest, which is design, is the scope of design is in both the production and as well as in automobiles. So it would not be that much difficult me to give my 200% in production field also. That's why.
Okay, but still, automobiles is your first preference.
Yes.
Okay, thanks for being honest. Now, what are the 4 qualities, sellable qualities of yours that you are sitting here with?
So I am disciplined. First of all, I am sincere about my work. I have a good leadership quality. I am highly presentable and have good communication skills.
Presentable. You are not ready for a marketing job.
So, as a leader of, I think we are just going to be doing a supervising job. So I should be presentable to my colleagues, which I am going to be.
Don't you think somebody coming from Africa would be leading? He is not presentable at all. Some people are very rough and tough. But if we talk about even if we take our president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, is he presentable? Okay. But you did not talk about any of the technical skills.
So my technical skills are as shown as the requirement for the job, as the person should be a BTech holder with a percentage minimum.
We talked about the 4 qualities.
Yes, sir.
The qualities that is also an asset. And technical qualifications is again a quality. I'm technically sound. You should have said it something like that. Okay. Now, Adit, I'm going to make it a bit tough for you.
Okay, sir.
Right, this round is going to be a bit stern, right? I'll be grilling you, right? Please cooperate with me. Hope you handle it. Now, why should we hire you only?
So, as my stats you can see in my resume, and the qualities which I have shown or I have said to you, those are some aspects you should consider while hiring me. And there is some I am passionate about the core mechanical design, which may be fruitful for your company also by hiring me, as I can give more than 100% to your company in the betterment of your company and as well as of me.
Okay. What do you expect from us?
So I would the first thing is I would like to enter in the industry. With this job, I can take first step of mine, which would be really great for me, as starting with a core mechanical company. And secondly, I would get a chance to learn a lot from you.
We are not a core mechanical company. Let me emphasize on it. We are a packaging company. We use machines, however, but we are not producing machines.
Okay, sir.
Right. So you cannot define us as a core mechanical company. Right. So okay.
Okay, you told us that your favorite subject is designing.
Yes, sir. I emphasis on designing.
Okay, so can you design a beam? Before designing it, what you will require?
So we would require, first of all, we would see the type of material for designing. Then the dimensions which we are going to be selected for the beam. Those are the main requirements. Then we will see it is hinged, or what sort of beam we will take in consider where it is going to be used, the conditions to be used. That will be the basis of selection of material.
Okay. Now you are telling me certain parameters, right?
Yes.
Give it a right sequence. Give these things a right sequence.
So
What will be the first thing to consider, and then.
So first thing to be considered will be the area where it is to be used.
Okay.
The secondly is the load or the pressure is going to be handled. And the type of persons it should be working along to decide with what the shape the shape and size. Then after all these considerations, the selection of material. Then we would see whether the materials, those short-listed materials, should be economic and should be durable. Same.
That's it. That's sufficient. Do you have any questions for us?
I would just like to ask, be more frank than I would got the call.
Okay. You will soon get a response from us. Very proper response. Once you are selected, there are certain more steps that you will be informed about through your mail or even a call. Any more questions? Thank you. So
Technically, I was impressed the way he answered this.
technically very sound. And not only, he was not talking theory.
Actually, this is what I wanted to hear. He was technically very sound.
Means he was actually talking about the application of the knowledge that he had gained. Right now? Means it was nothing like bookish knowledge he was just throwing upon us or just shouting upon us. No, that was wonderful. Okay.
Eye response was, eye contact was good.
Entry was also good, right? Handshake, he did not give. Eye contact was excellent. Excellent, I would say. Right? And he did not smile. He did not smile anywhere. I did not notice. Did you notice it? He was not comfortable somewhere. Very much comfortable. We were not feeling like home. Right? Forgetting.
Body posture was not good.
Body posture was very stiff. It was. Right?
Stiff and attitude.
posture means he was inclining.
Mm.
Right, natural gestures were there. Right, facial expressions were nice.
Voice volume, speed, tone, all over good. Grammar was,
Grammar was very,
Excellent.
very excellent.
confidence was there.
Confidence was excellent, I would say. Right, sincerity was, and but he did not tell a lie. Right,
Honesty.
he did not. He was very honest. He was very honest.
Honest.
Very honest. To talk about long-term goals. Huh?
Enthusiasm was there because he asked when he was eager to know when
What
he
exactly is it?
resume,
It was too long.
3 pages of CV.
Too long, and response to questions was good. Was taking good pauses.
He
Right.
asked questions, but he are not in very good manner.
Technical skills was excellent. I would say excellent. Dress wise,
This was
that's it. Okay.